Hi guys, I'm Jess and welcome back to Magical Mischief. Today we are going to be unboxing some Thor Ragnarok mystery minis. Now I must admit I cannot remember who some of these people are, so I've had a bit of a Google before we started filming to try and figure some of this out. But if I get anyone wrong, please let me know in the comments down below. It's been a while since I've watched this. So, at the top here we have Thor, Hulk and Loki. This is Valkyrie, I believe. The Grand Master. He is, I believe, the gatekeeper to Asgard. This is Bruce Banner, Surtur, Odin, King Odin. Then you've got the Executioner, another version of the Grand Master. And then there are 3 characters down here who I'm not quite sure who they are. So, Hulk, Thor and Loki are 1 in 6. Valkyrie and Odin are 1 in 12. The green clear Grandmaster is 1 in 2. The ones that I don't know, 2 of them are 1 in 6 and 1 is 1 in 72, and everyone else is a 1 in 24. So let's get started. We're on to bag number 1. Let's see who we have. Oh, we've got Valkyrie. Yes, we have, and she is a 1 in 12. Wow, she is gorgeous. Love this mystery mini. Her hair swooping, her cape. Oh, and she's got her swords. Wow. She is lovely. So that's a good start because I really like her. Come on, I need Loki, Thor and Hulk. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, we've got the gatekeeper to Asgard. Oh, he's nice. I can't remember his name, so please let me know what his name is in the comments down below. But he is lovely. And look, he's got his sword there. And this is the sword used to let people in and out of Asgard, which is really fun. On to bag number 3. Let's see who. Oh, we've got Odin. Is his hair better-ish? Oh, wow. He's nice. So this is Thor and Loki's father. Oh, that's nice to have him. Wow, that's really nice. And he's got his golden eye patch on there. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, he is beautiful. So lovely. So come on, Thor and Loki. So this person has a sword. we've got Thor, we've got Thor. I'm so happy. Oh, look, he's got his headpiece on. I'm guessing this is blood running down his face. And then you've got the swords there. Oh, look. Here's his cape. Wow, he is lovely. To our last box. Send me so many magical vibes because we need Loki for the collection. Okay, this is not Loki. Please tell me this is Hulk. Is this Hulk? Please, please be Hulk. Oh, I can't. Oh, no. Oh, I don't know who this guy is. This may be one of the gladiator type characters. Because when we first see Hulk in Thor Ragnarok, he is fighting lots of different people. And obviously he then has to fight Thor. But this may be one of those gladiator people. I do not know his name, so please let me know in the comments down below. So my favourites out of this set are definitely Thor. He is stunning. And I love this one of the Gatekeeper. He is so, so nice. My least favourite is possibly this guy, because I don't know who he is. I do think I would like to maybe collect some more of these so that I can get the Loki and the Hulk. That would be really nice. So please let me know in the comments down below which one was your favourite and who any of the characters are that I didn't know the names of. That would be so, so helpful. I really hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a big thumbs up. It helps this channel so, so much. Please don't forget to subscribe down below and turn on that notification bell so you're notified when more magical mischief is coming your way. Don't forget to also go down in the description and follow me on all my social medias. I've got Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. So go follow us over there to see what I am up to when I'm not filming YouTube videos. I hope you have enjoyed this video and I'll see you very soon. Bye guys!